Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, today our topic is political party. A political party is a group of people who have same ideology and come close to each other for some particular agendas so that they can contest elections and win over the majority to make the government. The different ideologies of political parties, especially in Jammu and Kashmir, are as under. The Congress Party, which is the oldest party of national level, it has a strong faith too in J&K also. Its ideologies are faith in democracy, faith in secularism, faith in socialism, faith in mixed economy, unity and integrity of India, and non-alignment. These are the ideologies of Indian National Congress on the national level as well as on the state level. We have another major party that is in India currently the ruling party, known as Bharatiya Janata Party. This party is committed to the concept of Suraksha, Swachhita, Swadeshi, Samarsta, and Hindutva. Hindutva means cultural nationalism. BJP is committed to the concept of positive secularism. It is committed to Gandhian economy. It believes in nationalism, holism, and integral humanism. We have the oldest party in J&K. That party has ruled the maximum years. It has ruled the state for a long time. That is National Conference. The aim of National Conference is at all side advancement along all avenues of human activities covering agriculture, industry, transport, and public utility services. The founder of this party was Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. In the past few decades, some original parties in J&K came into existence. Among them is a well-known party, that is People's Democratic Party. The founder of this party was late Mufti Muhammad Sayyid. The agenda of this party and the aims of this party are full faith in democracy, secularism, and security. This party believes in the dignity, liberty, and security of Jammu and Kashmir people. Since this party also ruled some years, and they too tried their best to maintain their originality and to work as per their goal, as per their this agenda. Similarly, we have another party here, that is People's Conference, whose founder was late Abdul Ghani Lone. This party also struggled a lot and is struggling even nowadays. They have their ideologies to live with honor. They have full faith on liberalism and democracy. This party works for the betterment of people as well, like other parties, and it also has become the part of this government. They are working for the betterment of people, especially in the northern parts of Kashmir. Some other parties are Communist Party of India is also here, and here we have independent candidates. They have made an alliance here. So, dear students, these are the major parties in J&K whose general aim and objective are same as the national parties in India have. Dear students, this was our today's topic. Let's go ahead tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.